How to create a personalized contact photo on iOS 17. And to do that is first is you have to go here to your settings, and then you have to go to here to your software update, and of course you have to make sure that your iPhone is currently on the current version, the iOS 17. Now if it's in the current version, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go here to our contacts, tap on your contacts here. Let's just go back for this for a while, and here you'll see my contact photo. Now let's say you want to personalize your contact photo, then what you're gonna do is to tap on your card here, my card, and then on the upper right you will see edit. Click on the edit here and click edit here again. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna tap on plus sign here, tap on this, and we're gonna first create our post. So we're gonna choose a poster first here. For example, this poster here, let's say you want to pinch that for a little bit, and let's say you're comfortable with your poster here, tap on done. Now the next thing that you're gonna do is to tap on continue here, and then it will ask for a contact photo here. Now since you want to create a personalized contact photo, what you're gonna do is to tap on choose different photo here. Click on choose different photo, and what you can do is either you can choose a Memoji here, or your photos, or your monogram. Tap on your photo here, and let's say this one, you want to use this one, and tap on choose on the bottom part. Let's just move that here, and then tap on choose. And basically you can choose any filter for that, and then on the upper part you'll see next. Click on the next here and tap on continue. And basically, as you can see here, tap on done on your upper right. Let's just go back here, and as you can see, you have now created a personalized contact photo on iOS 17, and basically that's it. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.